Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Join us as we explore the exquisite fashion world of Kate Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge. From stunning red carpet gowns to elegant everyday outfits, Kate's style is a masterclass in sophistication and poise. In this video, we will dive into her most breathtaking red carpet appearance and formal events, the luxury designers and brands she loves from Alexander McQueen to Chanel. How she balanced royal duties with personal style and flair. Her secrets for pulling off perfect royal outfits from heads to heel. The evaluation of her fashion sense from commoner to future queen. Kate's fashion sense is a perfect blend of classic and modern elements, making her a true style icon. With her impeccable taste and regal presence, it's not wonder she considered one of the most stylish royal in the world. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more royal fashion content. Comment below with your favorite Kate Middleton outfit. Share this video with fellow fashion enthusiasts. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Kate Middleton's fashion sense is characterized by classic elegance and sophistication. Kate often wears outfits from British designers promoting local talent. Kate is widely regarded as a royal fashion icon, inspiring women globally. Kate's favorite luxury fashion brands include Alexander McQueen, Chanel, and Dior. Kate has worn stunning haute-couture gowns on several formal occasions. Kate's everyday outfits are effortlessly chic and retailable. Kate's jewelry collection includes exquisite pieces from Cartier and Tiffany & Co. Kate's handbag collection featured designer brands like Hermes and Louis Vuitton. Kate's shoe collection includes stunning heels from Jimmy Choo and Christian Louboutin. And Kate's beauty secrets include a focus on natural makeup and effortless hair. Kate's style inspired women of all ages from young girls to adults. Kate balanced royal duties with personal style, never compromising on fashion. Kate's fashion influence extends globally, with women emulating her style. And Kate is a proud member of the British royal family, representing her country with elegance. Uses fashion as a tool for diplomacy, wearing outfits that honor host countries. Outfits often hold culture's significance, reflecting British heritage and tradition. Kate is a positive role model for young women, promoting confidence and self-expression. And personal style has evolved over the years, reflecting her own confidence. Kate remains true to herself, never compromising her personal style for trends. And a fashion legacy will be remembered for generations to come. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, England. Kate grew up in middle-class family and attended local schools. Kate studied art history at University of St Andrews in Scotland. Kate met Prince William at university and they began dating in 2003. And Kate and William got engaged in 2010 and married in 2011 at Westminster Abbey. Kate became the Duchess of Cambridge and undertook various royal duties. Kate supports numerous charities focusing on children's welfare and mental health. Kate has 3 children with Prince William, George, Charlotte, and Louis. Kate's fashion sense is always widely admired and she is considered a style icon. Charitable work has made a significant impact on various cases and has accompanied Prince William on several royal tours promoting British diplomacy. So Kate's publicity appearances are highly anticipated events showcasing her style and grace, and often wears outfits from British designers promoting local talent. Kate is an inspiration figure for young women, promoting confidence and self-expression, and enjoys photography, tennis, and hiking in her free time. Kate balances royal duties with family life, prioritizing her children's upbringing. Kate will become queen consort when Prince William ascends to the throne. So subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more royal content. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date our latest videos. Comments below with your favorite Kate Middleton outfits or moments. Share this video with fellow royal fans and fashion enthusiasts. However, I want to be honest with you, creating content every day it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening and I look forward to your continued support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat style while already turning heads, she favored classic timeless pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a royal cat's fashion choices are synchronized worldwide, she is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Kate's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Kate dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Kate's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces and enjoys the finest things in life. Kate draws inspiration from fashion icons past and present. She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She is a true style icon and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So Kate often turns to trust designers for her royal engagements. Alexander McQueen and Jenny Peckham are two of her go-to labels. Kate's not afraid to mix high-end with high-street fashion. She is often spotted wearing affordable brands like Zara and Topshop. Kate's hat game is strong, from elegant fascinators to statement hats. She knows how to top off an outfit. Kate's jewelry collection is invaluable. She often wears pieces from the royal collection as well as modern designs. Kate's shoes are always on point. From sleek style totes to comfortable wedges, she has a pair for every occasion. Kate's handbag collection is impressive. She favored classic design from brands like Mulberry and LK Bennett. Kate's outfit is always stylish. She often wears tailored coats and jackets from British designers. During her pregnancies, Kate's style remained effortless. She often wears flowing dresses and comfortable coats. Kate's sporty style is relaxed yet style. She often wears athletic wear from brands like Nike and Adidas. When representing the UK abroad, Kate's fashion choices are diplomatic and thoughtful. She often wears local designers or incorporates cultural elements. Like any fashion icons, Kate faced criticism from accusation from being too safe to wearing too much. McQueen, she is navigated it all. So my beautiful viewers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please tell me in the comment box what would you like to see next. Take care, I will see you in the next video.